Hi, it's Tim here at Bank Chevrolet, and I want to talk a little bit about the MultiFlex MidGate design on our new Silverado EV pickup truck. Now, you're probably used to our new 6-way tailgates, our MultiFlex tailgates that offer a variety of ways of opening and using that with steps. And this truck has got a MidGate design, and those of you who remember our Avalanche, it's somewhat similar to that. So how that works is I can fold down the back seats and open up the cargo space. And the back seat is split 60-40. So if I just need to get maybe a few long pieces of wood in there, I can just fold down half of the back seat, use the other side for passengers, and be able to slide through some long material. I can fold down both sides, leaving the window in place, and if with the tonneau cover, I have that whole access area, and now it's all fully enclosed. If I need more capability, the rear glass comes out and mounts into that midgate, and the whole midgate folds down, and now I have a completely opening to the outside, so I can get like a sofa in there and push it right on through and be able to close the tailgate. With that design, I can get up over 10 feet of cargo length in the bed of the truck with that midgate down. It's pretty amazing. It's really easy to use. It's got a lot of different configurations, and you wonder why every truck doesn't have it. Come on down to Bank Chevrolet, check out the new MidGate design on our Silverado EV.